everyone. Well, my Aunt Tammy spotted a little peaceful bird. A little tiny one that was blue, red, Aunt Tammy? Was it red?
No, it's blue and brown and white.
Yeah. If you did not hear that, she said blue, red, and brown and white. And he was like right out through there on that blue tree.
From in the car.
And
I'm down there. Wait.
I know I have to eat.
everyone say hi. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
My Tammy and my little sister said hi. Bye. Oh yeah. We have a little baby sister now.
It's a girl.